Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. Today, we want to read a poem. The name of the poem is The Schoolboy. Before reading the poem or reciting the poem, we must know the poet of this poem. The Schoolboy is a famous poem of William Blake. William Blake is an English poet. He was born 1757 and he died 1826. Actually, he is a poet, a printmaker, a painter, and he was a poet of actually pre-romantic period. William Blake wrote this poem, and this poem was included of songs, innocence, song of innocence. It is included in song of innocence, and at first it was included in song of experience. Before reading the poem, I ask you a question. Why does a child hate school? Why does a child hate school? Child is born for free movement. Man is born, not only child, man is born for independence. Here, a child who is born newly in our world, he has a separate independence, and he or she doesn't understand the any boundary, any bondage. They always want to be free. In this poem, The Schoolboy, we observe that a schoolboy, he wants to enjoy the summer morning, but it became untouchable. That's why it is a tragedy of a schoolboy. Not only a schoolboy, but also any other child in this world. After bearing this world, he or she wants to go to school like a caged bird. It is very unfortunate matter for the child. Children's right to education also implies that the school they go to will have a pleasant and learning friendly environment where everyone will have an enjoyable time. Teachers will be kind, caring and supportive, and children will feel relaxed. No harsh words will be spoken to them, and special care will be taken of children with learning disabilities. Here we observe that children's right to education actually will be free. And he always wants to enjoy pleasures, and he wants to enjoy a friendly environment. But when he goes to school and stays in the classroom, he feels very boring. He feels very unfriendly. The teachers, the learning materials, everything feels very boring, and he thinks that he is in a cage like a broken winged bird. That unfortunately is not the general picture in our schools. The system of education in our part of the world doesn't allow children much freedom, and classrooms look more like cages where they are pent up for hours. Our world poet Rabindranath Tagore doesn't like such type of environment for a child. He has already said that children's education will be very free, and it will be not confined in a cage like a cage bird. Here, our English poet William Blake, whose favorite subjects included children, in his poem, "The Schoolboy," Blake writes about a young boy who is unhappy with his school, where dour-faced teachers give joyless lessons. He would rather like to be outdoors and enjoy the summer day. He pleads with his parents to rescue him from the drudgery of school. The stubbornness of staying in school is very costly for a child. And William Blake wants to protest it. Though this poem is written in winter countries, or like winter countries, but it has been universal for every child, every baby, every boy, little boy and little girl in this world. Now, I want to discuss or want to recite "The Schoolboy." "The Schoolboy" by William Blake. I have already declared the name of the poet. I love to rise in summer morn, where the birds sing on every tree. The distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! This child likes to wake up in the morning, and in summer morning, when he wakes up, he wants to enjoy the summer morning, the free air. He wants to learn or hear the music of chirping bird. He wants to enjoy huntsman horn, and he wants to be a company of a skylark, and he considers skylark is his best company. But to go to school in a summer morn Oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outward, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. But unfortunately, when a child has to go to school in a summer morning, it seems to be very disgusting for him or her. And he sees the cruel eye of the teachers. He spends the day with tiredness and shine and darkness. Then at times I drooping seat and spent many an anxious hour. Not in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning's bower. Worn through with the dreary shower. When a schoolboy spends his bothering times in classroom, he becomes very anxious. His all delights are away from him or her, away from him. He doesn't want to sit in a bench attentively because everything feels very boring and very unfriendly. How can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? But why does a child tolerate such type of unfriendly situation in his school? He is not a caged bird. He wants to enjoy the summer morning, but his tender wing, his tender is nipped in the bud. How does a child forget spring, forget the summer morning? It is quite impossible for a child. Oh, father and mother, if birds are nipped and blossoms blow out, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and cares dismissed, he asks to listen his father and mother. He wants to say that, please listen to me, stop me sending the school. It is very cursive. It is like a nip birds, and if a flower doesn't express, and if a flower doesn't blossom, it will be very cursive for the flower, because the flower has fragrance, sweet fragrance, and a child wants to taste this fragrance. That's why he doesn't want to this situation, and he always feels sorrows and very panic situation when he spends his time in school. How shall the summer arise in joy, or the summer fruits appear? Or how shall we gather what griefs destroy, or bless the mellowing year when the blast of winter appear? Winter is coming. Winter is very disgusting for everybody. It is very cold. Any man doesn't enjoy winter, but everybody loves spring and summer. In summer we observe that there are many fruits appearing or before us, but and many materials of the spring which are very friendly of everybody, and this boy wants to enjoy such type of enjoyable summer, such type of enjoyable spring. He doesn't want to forget the enjoyable spring, the enjoyable summer. That's why he hates school. When we analyze the poem, we observe that this poem has 6 stanzas of 5 lines called pointers. The first 2 stanzas rhyme is a scheme of A B A B B A C A C C, while the last 4 diverse, rhyming with alternative ending A B C B B or A B A B B. There are 6 stanzas and every stanza has 5 lines, and my dear students, you should at first the poet of this poem very nicely, and after reading or knowing the life of the poet William Blake, next you will go to your lesson, the school boy, and you should read this poem again and again, and you should make paraphrase of every stanza, and next time you should prepare to write a theme and make paraphrase of every stanza to make a theme of the whole poem. It is not only a large poem, it is a short poem actually, and my dear student, you should prepare to make or write a theme of the whole poem and write paraphrase of every stanza, and you should practice to recite this poem, The Schoolboy, again and again. Thank you very much.